Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is JJ Sandy from Julia Digital Empire. If you are a new subscriber or you are just coming to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. And in this video, I'll be showing you a very simple website that you can use to remove your picture background in less than 5 minutes. Alright, it's so automatic that you don't need to waste time. Alright, so but before then, I would like you to watch other videos. I've been releasing valuable content on this YouTube channel that will help you grow your finances, make you make money online, help you learn some digital skills and a lot more. All right. So make sure you come and watch some of my videos. But before then, let's without further ado, let's proceed. All right. So all you have to do is come to your browser and on the tab just search for remove.bg. All right, remove.bg is the name of the website, and just click the enter button. All right, you can use your phone or your laptop to do this. All right, so this is how the the home page of the website look like. You can see remove image background, 100% automatic and free. So it's free. You don't even need to sign up, but if you want, you can sign up with your details for the website, but I don't usually sign up. All right, so when you come here, all you have to do is either you drag a file or paste a link or upload an image. All right, so if you have an image on your phone or on your laptop, you can just upload it. All right, so we can see this is an example of how the website look like. All right, so let's try uploading. Okay, let me choose one of the pictures. Okay, let me choose one of my pictures. Okay, let me just use this picture. So the moment you open this on the website, it's uploading automatically. The moment it's done uploading, it will remove the background. All right, so as you can see, it's still processing it. Okay, so this is how this website works. It's called remove.bg. All right, so you can see it's remove.bg. You don't even need to waste your time using Photoshop to remove your background. You don't need to waste your time using Canva or other graphic design tools to remove background. All right, so the moment it's done like this, just click on your download, click on download, and the moment it begins to download, so you can see it, this is the image. All right, so you can even add background if you want. Just come over here and see add design. All right, but most of the times you have to sign up to enjoy this. So you can create free designs, you can add color backgrounds to the image probably if you want to. All right, but for those that just want to remove background, that's the purpose I actually did this video. In the next video, I will show you how to add